And now, viewers, a day after the U.S. military operation in Venezuela and the capture of Nicolas Maduro, United States President Donald Trump has now reiterated his calls for an American takeover of Greenland, while giving a stern warning to Cuba, one of Venezuela's most important allies and trading partners. Trump on Saturday said he viewed the Cuban government as very similar to Venezuela. He said that Cuba is failing badly right now as a nation, and therefore the U.S. wants to help the people. Now, the Secretary of State Marco Rubio also issued a stern warning to Cuban government. Rubio, in an interview, said that Cuban officials were with Maduro in Venezuela just ahead of his capture. Now, U.S.-Cuba relations have been hostile since the 1959 Cuban Revolution, viewers. All right, a major statement coming in from President Trump himself on Cuba right after the capture of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro. Now the ties between Cuba and Venezuela have come under fire as far as Donald Trump is concerned. He says Cuba is failing very badly right now and the U.S. just wants to help people. In fact, Donald Trump also said that he views the Cuban government as very similar to Venezuela. Remember, viewers, Cuba happens to be one of Venezuela's most important allies and trading partners. And it's not just Donald Trump who's commented on this issue. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has also issued a stern warning to Cuban government. Now, Rubio, in an interview, said that Cuban officials were with Maduro in Venezuela ahead of his capture. And this warning now coming to Cuba right after U.S. attacked Venezuelan cities and captured its President Nicolas Maduro. Now, when we talk about the ties between the United States and Cuba, they have remained hostile since the 1959 Cuban Revolution. So one after the other, it seems the U.S. is now becoming more assertive in its foreign policy when Latin America is concerned. First, Venezuela, and now a warning coming to Cuba as well. In fact, Donald Trump also reiterated his calls for an American takeover of Greenland. Question right now being, where will Donald Trump in fact stop at this point? All right, a major warning coming in from the U.S. President to Greenland and Cuba right after the military Operation Absolute Resolve took place in Venezuela, and the President Nicolas Maduro along with his wife was captured by United States Delta forces.